Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Porchy Tech. So today I have a case here that I'm gonna unbox for you guys. So this case is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid navy blue, and we're gonna unbox this case. So I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max here with me, and we're gonna put the case on, try it out, see what it looks like, and go over a few things on this case. All right, so this can help you out if you're in the market looking for one of these cases, or you're thinking about getting it and you want to see what it looks like before you get it. All right, but before I get into this unboxing, please head on down below, hit the subscribe button, turn that notification bell on to get notified when I have another upload on this channel, and also to support my channel as well. All right, so let's get into this unboxing here. So just got this delivered to the door from Amazon, so let's go ahead and rip this open and take this out. So here we have the case. This is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid, and this, as you can see, for the 12 Pro Max, and this is gonna be the navy blue here, as you can see. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead, take this out the box, and before I open this, this is the caseology, and this is the Skyfall case right here that I have on. As you can see, the blue edges. So we're gonna take the Spigen out and we're gonna put it on the iPhone, see what it looks like. All right, so here we go. Here's the case. This is what it looks like. So let's move this box out the way a little bit for now. Okay, take the case out the plastic here, and as you can see, they're advertising their charger here, the 20-watt charger here they have on the card. So if you have a 12 Pro Max also, this is a very good charger. All right, so here we have the case, guys, for the 12 Pro Max. This is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid case. I have this case for every single phone that I've owned. This is one of my favorite cases, but this one is the navy blue, and this, I got this to go with the blue iPhone 12 Pro Max because I have the Pacific blue. So this one is the Ultra Hybrid navy blue, as you can see. So here we have the cutout for the camera here, and you can see the blue accents going around and around the sides. It's pretty nice and rubbery touch right here, feels pretty soft, easy to touch, and the color is not that glossy here. It's pretty nice and toned down, flat color, flat blue. Look at it right here. You got your cutouts for your charging port, speakers on the side, and it's really flat and squared off, just like the iPhone design. So the new iPhone, it has the flat edges, and this is designed the same way to carry off that look on the iPhone. We have our cutout here for the silent switch on the iPhone, and the volume up and down is not protruding. It's flushed on the side with the case. As you can see, it's not protruding, really flat and flushed with the side of the case, going right down right here. So this is it right here. The volume up and down is not protrude. As I said before, you can see it's really flushed and nice. So let's peel this off. So it has one piece of sticker here on the back. We're gonna peel that off. Sorry about that sound, you can hear the kids screaming in the background there. All right, sorry about that right there. So let's peel this off the back, get this out of the way, and there's one more inside here as well. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna peel this off. All right, so there we go. Now you can see how clear and nice this is. Look at it, really nice, guys. Let's put it over the face of the phone. As you can see how clear that is. Oh man, looks really nice. So here I'm gonna take off this case that I currently have on here, the Skyfall case. This case is a Skyfall by Caseology here that I'm taking off. So let me take that off, put it aside, and then we're gonna go ahead and put this next to the phone. I mean, the blue on the phone is different from the case, which is pretty much expected because most of the cases, they're not gonna be the same color as the phone, but similar. So we're gonna go ahead and place our phone inside the case here, see how it looks. Boom, nice. So look at this. So as you can see, nice, pretty beautiful here. See the blue accents going around the edges of the phone, and then you can see the color of the phone pops through the back here of the case, the transparent back, and your Apple logo is pretty nice and clear. Camera cutout is here, as you can. I like the blue accents going around the cameras on the sides, nice and flat. Look at this. So let me hold it this way. You can see it squared off just like the iPhone. On the bottom you have your cutouts, really nice and accurately. Your charging port, speakers cut out pretty well and accurate, and your volume up and down is pretty nice as well. So the case fits really tight and snug. Has a little lip over here to protect your phone if you put it face down like this, or if you put it on the back, it's protected because it has a little lip over the raised over the cameras here to protect your cameras, just in case you put your phone down on the back. So put it down on the back, you see it's still steady, it's not rocking. And on the face it has a little lip, so it protects it if you put your phone face down. So again, this is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid case. This is the navy blue color. So I'm gonna have the link for this up in the description for this video, and you can go ahead and make a purchase if you're interested in getting this case. You can just click on that link and make your purchase from there. Alright, so again, this is how it looks. Squared off edges, nice blue accents to carry off the color of the case that matches the phone, and pretty nice. The buttons are nice and clicky, they're not hard to press. Look at this, really nice. Your volume up and down, pretty easy to press, and your power button easy to press. You don't have to put any pressure on these buttons to get them to click. They're really soft and really nice, clicks really well. This case, I would say, feels better than the crystal clear in the Ultra Hybrid case. The rubber on the edges here makes the buttons feel a little better than the crystal clear color. So this blue is really nice on the iPhone, looks really well. So if you're in the market looking for a case and you happen to come across this one, it's a really nice option, guys. You could really get this case and try it out. So hopefully this video helps you out in making your decision if you wanted to get this case, and this is one to check out if you're shopping for a case as well. Alright, so thank you for watching. Remember to head on down below, hit the subscribe button, turn that notification bell on to get notified as soon as I have another upload on this channel. Alright, peace.